30,000 crore estate. The hearing took place in the Delhi High Court on the suit filed by Karisma Kapur's children, Samaira and Kian. They told the High Court that the will of their late father, industrialist Sunjay Kapur, was not registered and raised concerns over its sudden disclosure. They also alleged that their stepmother, Priya Kapur, forged their father's will. Representing Karishma's children, lawyer Mahesh Jethmalani argued that circumstances around this will were suspicious. He contended that Karishma's children were first told that there was no will, and suddenly a document was presented to say that Karishma's children are not the beneficiaries. The plea further sought action for being wrongfully excluded from their father Sanjay's will. Now, the defendants in the lawsuit are Priya Kapur, her minor son, Sanjay's mother Rani Kapur, and the purported executor of this will, Shraddha Suri Marwa. In their suit, the children have alleged that Priya connived with the executor and other associates to usurp their rightful shares in their late father's estate. Priya Kapur, however, challenged the maintainability of the suit. Represented by senior advocate Rajiv Nair, Priya told the court, and I quote, "For all this crying and weeping that is going on, plaintiffs received 1,900 crores from the trust." Priya Kapur's lawyer was referring to the Rani Kapur Trust, claiming that 1,900 crore rupees worth of asset had been transferred to Karishma's two children from this particular trust. After hearing the arguments, the High Court directed Sunjay Kapur's widow, Priya, to disclose details of all of his movable and immovable assets as known to her as on 12th of June. The court, however, refused to order a status quo on all assets while posting the matter for hearing on the 9th of October next. The court has also sought a response from all parties in relation to the suit. Now remember, Karisma Kapoor had tied the knot with Delhi-based businessman, the late Sunjay Kapur, in 2003. However, after years of turbulence, the couple got officially divorced in 2016. Sanjay later married Priya Kapur in April of 2017, and they had one child together. Sanjay also adopted Priya's daughter, Sapira Chatwal, from her previous marriage. The family has been embroiled in inheritance dispute ever since Sanjay died in June this year. His sudden death left his company in a churn. A month later, his mother Rani Kapur objected to being thrown out of the company and to Priya's appointment as non-executive director. She also accused Priya of coercion and questioned appointments made by the company after Sanjay's death. In August, then, she claimed that she was forced to sign documents behind closed doors and left to the mercy of a select few for survival. Let me go across to Dipankar, my colleague who's been tracking the proceedings in the court. Dipankar, can I understand from you what transpired in the court as far as this suit that has been filed by Karisma Kapur's children is?
Well, yes, now Karisma Kapoor's children have approached the Delhi High Court where they are seeking that the estate, the 30,000 crore estate, should be divided and in such a way that they also get their share. The counsel appearing for the children, that is Mr. Mahesh Jethmalani, he argued that the will that has been talked about, the Sunjay Kapur will, it's a fabricated document as it is not even registered before any kind of court, and it has never been brought up earlier during the communication between Karisma Kapur and the other parties, but now it has come up in a meeting that was held in Taj Mansingh, where this will was read hastily and they have not been given access to this will until unless they sign a non-disclosure agreement. So these were the arguments, these were the allegations that were leveled by Mr. Mahesh Jethmalani. Opposing these arguments, Mr. Rajiv Nair, who was appearing for Mrs. Priya Kapur, he said that they have been given 1,900 crores worth of estate from the entire estate that was there, the Rani Kapur Trust that was there. 1,900 crore worth of assets have been given to the children, but they are yet crying about the entire estate. They are crying about their shares. So these were the opposition that was created by Mr. Rajiv Nair. Chiming into this arguments was Mrs. Rani Kapur, who was also made part of this petition, where she had said, where her counsel submitted before the court, that she has also been kept in the dark She has not been given access to any kind of documents that have been there. She does not know about the details of the will. She has been sending out communications regarding documents, regarding the proceedings that are taking place, the transactions that are taking place, but she has been completely left out in the dark, and there have been no reverts to her communication that are there.
Okay.
Taking all these submissions into consideration, the court has now asked Mrs. Priya Kapur to give a detail of all the assets, immovable and movable assets of Sunjay Kapur till the date of his bereavement before the court, and has also sought a written submission from all the parties and will now hear the matter in October.
All right. All right, Dipankar, thanks very much for getting us all those details of what the court said in this particular case. Viewers, with that, it's time for a short break. News and updates.